But that's after this is over.
Yeah, such a good point. And Dave, you know, folks might want to get out earlier today rather than later. I know you have the timeline for this thing. And the other thing I wanted to ask you about is we were throwing around that term bomb cyclone this week. Can we apply it to this storm coming our way?
The sexy term bomb cyclone. This is not a bomb cyclone. And the reason that last storm was called a bomb cyclone is the pressure dropped 24 millibars. Millibars is what meteorologists use to talk about pressure. 24 millibars in 24 hours, and that's the reason that was a bomb cyclone. This one won't have that big of a low pressure drop, but it is still a big blizzard producing storm, so we still got to watch out for this one. You can see it digging right into the Four Corners area here, and what's interesting about this is this morning, it's very mild out there this morning. It's in the 40s around here, gang, as you get out and get going this morning. Not bad at all as you head to work and head to school. Nothing really cooking. We don't even have the rain yet, but take a look. The snow is starting to pop in the mountains. We've had a few thunder storms already around the Aspen area with that convection coming in, and it's snowing in some of the higher foothills of Clear Creek County, Park County, Boulder County up here as well. So it is starting to move in and come together. This afternoon is when it mixes with the snow, and that's when things ramp up. Now, here's one of the snowfall models that really has a good hold on this. We will see up to a foot of snow in some of the mountain areas and 5 to 10 across the eastern plains, including the Denver metro area by the end of the morning tomorrow. So it's significant snowfall. It's going to be very heavy and wet. Most of that 5 to 10 will be on the grassy areas. There will be a lot more melting on the roadways because we were close to 80 degrees yesterday. So with that snow, 65 to 75 mile per hour winds across the eastern plains, that gives you blizzard conditions. And blizzard warnings are put into effect for the wind, not necessarily the snow. Anytime you have that big sustained wind for at least 3 hours with the heavy snow, you got a blizzard going on. At least a foot in many of the mountain locations here as well, with warnings and advisories going on there. So rain developing around here about 9 or 10 o'clock, continuing till about noon, and then about 2 or 3, everything changes over to snow this afternoon, and that's when things will start to pile up. High temperatures today, 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s across the eastern plains. Look at that. But our temperatures here in northeastern Colorado, those highs will happen in the morning, and then we'll get into the 30s by afternoon. So rain developing by 9, 10 o'clock this morning, snow this afternoon, 42 tomorrow, still some flurries and some wind, and this is going to kind of set up a pattern all the way through the start of the weekend, Andrea, where we might have a few afternoon showers, a little bit of rain and snow, and then Sunday is the only day on that graphic that has a dry day and 63 degrees.
The silver lining here is that by next week we might see a lot of green, a lot of that grass coming in nice and beautiful.
You know, when I go talk to elementary schools, I always tell the kids that thunderstorms are good, rain is good, snowstorms are good, because that's where we get our water, that's how our grass stays green, and that's how we drink water. You know, that's so how we need it to survive.
We absolutely do, and that helps the drought situation as well.
Exactly right. Yeah, that's going down, down, down.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you so much, Dave.